Hi, and welcome back to Dr. KJ's Age to Perfection Korean 10-Step Program. Today I'm doing a special segment specifically for residents, interns, or anybody who has to spend long hours at work, think 30-hour shifts in the hospital, what you can do for your skin to help keep it nice and clear even when you're on call. So it is important for you to wash your skin at the end, not at the end of your shift because it's a 30-hour shift, but at nighttime when you have a break so that you can wash some of the things off your face. Remember, you put sunscreen on that morning, you're going to want to wash the sunscreen off your face, any bacteria or germs. If you're wearing a hospital mask, you're going to want to wash all that gunk off of your face and not do the whole 30-hour shift that way. So to do this, I want you to create a little pack. In your pack, you can have a washcloth so you can dry your face, a soap, astringent that you can also use as a toner, astringent, mild exfoliant, and also a really good moisturizer. So to do that, I will say when you get any time, especially at night before you get to take maybe 10-15 minute nap, before your nap time, you're gonna wanna wash your face. I would suggest using this Neogen green tea real fresh cleansing stick. This cleansing stick is great. It acts as a double cleanser. So you'll wet your face, you will apply this to your skin all over. Has a nice, really nice, great odor. It smells beautiful, and it also has like green tea leaves in it, so it mildly exfoliates your skin. You're gonna put this all over your skin when it's wet, and then you're just gonna take your hands and make it nice and bubbly, and then you're gonna rinse your face. If you don't wanna be splashing the water from the hospital on your face, you can use a washcloth. You'll just wet it, wipe your face off, wet the washcloth again, rinse it out, then wet your face to make sure you get all the soap off. After that, you're gonna wanna use an astringent. You can take like a small glass bottle, just any glass bottle that you have laying around the house. You'll use, these are reusable cotton rounds. You can also just use regular cotton balls. I put them in this thing, and then I'll apply some beauty water to them at home before I even leave for work. Okay, just gonna do that now. I'll apply the beauty water in there. I'm actually gonna use 2 of them, okay? Just make sure it's nice and moist in there. Apply my beauty water. These are nice and moist. Oops. So that you'll have these with you when you're on call. So after you wash your face, you dry your face, and you're just gonna take one of these cotton rounds and just kind of wipe your face down. It'll serve as a light astringent. It's the beauty water. It's gonna make your skin feel really great. It smells great, so you'll feel refreshed, and you can just get some of that hospital gunk off of your face and your neck, okay? After you use that, just put the top back on it. You're gonna apply some moisturizer. So bring your PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream with you. It's easy to take, it's not gonna spill or get messed up, and you'll apply this to your skin. You can then go to bed, relax, or just be ready for the next call that comes. Throughout your shift, if you want, you can get a mist to use. I like this mist. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. You can use this to just refreshen your skin throughout your shift as you need it. To use it, you just shake it up. You're gonna wanna spray your face just to refreshen as you go throughout your day. This has really great antioxidants for your skin. It makes it feel fresh and renewed. It has some hyaluronic acid in it. And since you're not using your serums because you didn't bring any with you on your shift, this will help get that moisture, anti-aging, antioxidants, and it'll be really great for your skin. Okay, the next morning, when your shift is almost over, you have about 6 hours left, you're gonna wanna refreshen. If you have time, you will then again use the green tea stick. You'll use your second pre-moistened pad with the beauty water. You'll apply your moisturizer, and then you're gonna apply your sunscreen. If you don't have time to do that because you're just really, really rushing, you'll just take this pad, you'll take it out, and you'll just wet your face with it, apply your moisturizer, and then apply your sunblock if you don't have time to actually wash your face that second time when you're in the hospital. Okay, What you can do too to carry all these things is use a plastic bag. I don't have any plastic baggies in my house, so I use paper bags, paper lunch bags. You can get these at Whole Foods. You can just take your washcloth, fold it up, put it in your plastic bag. Take your soap, put it in your bag, your cleaning pads, put it in your bag. The used ones can go in there too. Your moisturizer will go in there, and your sunblock will go in there. And you can either put this in your pocket, because you know you have a lot of room in your white coat, or put it in an overnight bag you may be bringing. And what I would do is I would store this in my pocket, in my white coat pocket, just so I can refreshen throughout the shift, okay? So really important, make sure you're still cleaning your skin so you can have nice, healthy, glowy skin, even when you are doing those long calls. It's important not only to keep your skin nice and clear and glowing, but it also helps wipe some of that bacteria, the viruses, the germs that you could be exposed to in the hospital. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channels, and keep coming back for more.